Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss about the rationalization of sorts. So what do you mean by rationalization of sorts? We know that rational numbers and sorts are the different things. Like 2 under root 9, 3 upon 2, these are the rational numbers. Because this square root of 9 is 3. 3 upon 2 it is 1.5. We have another type of number like a square root of 2, cube root of 5. So these numbers are sorts. Sometimes the sorts we have to change into rational numbers. So the process of changing the sorts into rational number, it is known as rationalization of the sorts. It is very important thing in this chapter sorts to change the sorts into the rational number. How do we can change the sorts into rational number? Look here, under root 5, it is a sort. If you multiply this under root 5 by another under root 5, it becomes under root 5 whole square. And as the order of the sort is 2 and it has the square, so order and square 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so it gives 5. So one very simple way to convert the sort, this type of very simple sort, into a rational number is multiplying by itself if it is the square root. Sometimes we may have the cube root also, or root of any order, by making the order and the power equal. Because when we have the order and power of the sorts, the root will be cancelled. The root will be cancelled means the sorts will be converted into a rational number. It is for simple, this type of sort. Sometimes we have binomial sorts also, like square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So for this also, like square root of 3 plus square root of 2, if we multiply this with square root of 3 minus square root of 2, the same sort but having the opposite sign here. Now it is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. So a square minus b square, it is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is another technique for rationalization of this type of binomial sort. Multiplying with the same binomial but having the opposite sign, so that it will be in the form of a plus b times a minus b. While writing a square minus b square, the root will be the cancel. The main thing is here how to cancel, how to remove the root, whether it is square root or cube root of any order. And these two sorts, root 3 plus root 2 and root 3 minus root 2, are known as the conjugate of each other. Now we have some examples here for simplification. Our first question is 1 upon root 3 plus 1. We simplify such sorts here by rationalizing the denominator. Generally we rationalize the denominator, we do not rationalize the numerator, because when we have more than one terms containing sorts, we have to take the LCM. To take the LCM, the denominator should be in its simplest form, in their simplest form. So it will be easier for us. So when you rationalize the denominator, then further simplification will be easier. So always we try to rationalize the denominator. So here also we simplify this sort by rationalizing the denominator. Over here denominator is root 3 plus 1. So to rationalize this denominator root 3 plus 1, it should be multiplied by its conjugate, because it is the binomial sort. So 1 upon root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, like this. Look here. While multiplying, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. We cannot multiply one side only. Mainly we focus the denominator, because our denominator is root 3 plus 1. So its conjugate is root 3 minus 1. We discussed what is conjugate before. By doing this, this denominator, it will be in the form of a plus b, a minus b. While writing a square minus b square, root will be removed. Removal of the root means the denominator will be rationalized. And so it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1 square. So root 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now this structure and this structure, the 1 upon root 3 plus 1, it is root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Actually, the form is the same. But here you can see the denominator, it is rational number. So main thing here we are trying to change the denominator into a rational number so that the further simplification will be easier. In the second and third question also we will do the same. To simplify the given source, simplification of the given source means mainly to rationalize the denominator here. And after rationalization of the denominator, further simplification is possible. We do. Otherwise, we leave this as it is, as we did here, this number 1. So number 2 also, 3 upon under root 5 minus under root 2. So multiply it, both numerator and denominator, with the conjugate of denominator, that is root 5 plus root 2. So root 5 plus root 2. It is 3 root 5 plus root 2. Denominator, it is root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Because a plus b, a minus b, it is a square minus b square. It is 3 bracket root 5 plus root 2. It is 5 minus 2. So 3 root 5 plus root 2 upon, it is also 3 cancel. So it gives root 5 plus root 2. So this is the simplification of this question after rationalization of the denominator. Now next question. Question number 3. So 5 upon 3 square root of 7 plus 2 square root of 3. Here also you multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. 3 square root of 7 minus sign 2 square root of 3 upon 3 square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 3. Now it is 5 and 3 square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 3 all upon denominator a plus b into a minus b. 3 square root of 7 whole square, a square minus b square, 2 square root of 3 whole square. It is 5 bracket 3 square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 3 as it is. Denominator, it is 3 into 3 square of 3, it is 9. 9 into 7 minus, it is 4 into 3. Because this is square of 3 also, as well as it is square of root 7. Square of 3, it is 9. Square of root 7, it is 7. So similarly, this also 4 into 3. It is as it is 3 square root of 7 minus 2 square root of 3. So it is 63 minus 12. 63 minus 12. It gives 51 upon 51. Further we cannot do anything. So we leave its answer as it is here. The main thing here also we have rationalized the denominator. Now number 4. To square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2 upon 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 2. So here also we rationalize the denominator, multiplying with the conjugate of denominator. 2 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2, 2 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2. While multiplying, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same thing. So it is 2 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2 whole square. It has become the whole square there in numerator, and because we have the same factor there, now denominator it is a plus b times a minus b. A square minus b square, a square minus b square. And in numerator also we can use the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 from formula 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 whole square whole upon it is 4 into 3 minus 9 into 2. So it is also 4 into 3 minus 3 for 12 under root 6, root 3 into root 2 it is root 6, and it is 9 into 2 whole upon 12 minus 18. Now it is 12 minus 12 root 6 plus 18 upon it is minus 6. 12 minus 18 it is minus 6. It is 30. 12 plus 18 30 minus 12 root 6 upon this 6 minus 6. Now we can take 6 common there in numerator. Take 6 common, then you will get 5 minus 2 root 6 upon minus 6. 6 is cancelled, so minus 5 minus 2 root 6, or it is minus 5 plus 2 root 6, or simply 2 root 6 minus 5 also we can write for this. Uh, 12 plus 18, 30 minus 12 root 6 upon minus 6 plus 12 minus 18, it gives minus 6. We can take 6 common in the numerator, so 5 minus 2 root 6 upon minus 6. This 6 is cancelled, but minus is here, so this minus can be written here in front. So minus here 5 minus 2 root 6. If you open the bracket with minus, minus 5 plus minus minus plus 2 root 6, or 2 root 6 minus 5. So this is the answer of this question number 4. Now we have last question, question number 5. Under root a plus b minus under root a minus b whole upon under root a plus b plus under root a minus b. It is also similar question. We try to rationalize the denominator. For that we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of this denominator, a plus b, by taking the minus sign, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. It is similar to this question number 4. In denominator we get a minus b, and this is just like a minus b, a minus b, a minus b whole square. So it is a plus b minus a minus b whole square, because when we have a minus b, we write a minus b whole square. Under root a plus b minus under root a minus b. Under root a plus b minus under root a minus b. A plus b, a minus b, a minus b. Just like this. And denominator we have a plus b, a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. Under root a plus b whole square minus under root a minus b whole square. We expand by the formula of a minus b whole square in numerator. What is a? Under root a plus b. It is a square minus 2 under root a plus b under root a minus b and plus under root a minus b whole square whole upon this is a plus b minus a minus b, because this square and root will be cancelled here. Now it is simply a plus b. Here also this square and root square, it is square, so it is cancelled. 2 under root a plus b, a minus b, it is a square minus b square, also we can write. And plus here it is a minus b, because this root and square cancel, upon a plus b minus a minus minus plus b. If you open the bracket with this minus sign, so this a plus a minus a cancel. Here also this plus b minus b cancel, so it gives a plus a 2a minus 2 under root a square minus b square upon b plus b 2b. Here also we can take 2 common, so a minus under root a square minus b square 2b. 2 cancel, so what will remain there in numerator? A minus under root a square minus b square, and denominator we have b. So we have simplified this also by rationalizing the denominator, and in final answer also the denominator it is b only, and now further simplification is not possible. Therefore this is the answer of this question. Now in this way, in today's class, first of all we discuss about rationalization, what is the rationalization of sort, and we develop the concept of conjugate, and after that we simplified some question by rationalizing the denominator. In the coming classes we discuss, we solve, or we simplify some more questions. Okay, thank you, bye bye.